another class of my photo retouching tutorial. This time I'm going to clean up a female photo, which is the face. I am going to summarize what we just did in the previous picture. I will bring in some downloaded images. I will copy it and paste it on my Windows Paint application. So that I can save it as JPEG, though I can still do that directly on my Photoshop. I will save it with the name raw face. And I will drag and drop it in the Photoshop. You can see the raw face, and that is what we are going to work on. I will quickly double click this and duplicate that layer as I press Ctrl J. I come over, apply the Gaussian blur effect on that top layer and effect some adjustment and click OK. I will duplicate the first layer again with the Ctrl J, then unsolo it, that is to hide the visibility of that layer. I am going to create a layer mask and press the Ctrl I to inverse. I will use my brush effect on that area of interest. As the background is showing black, in this my switch tool, I mainly use this for my effect. I need to switch it to the foreground, which is white, so that my brush can be effective. And if I leave it like this on the black, it will not have any effect. When you use this brush, try to follow the curve of the face, because your tracing skills make you an artist. Let me switch to the foreground to white and work on this edge so that I can preserve that depth, and I switch to black to clean it off. Then switch to white again to take it close. For the lips, it is okay. I will reduce the opacity of the eye. Then the lips. I don't want to make it overblow. This is what I've done on the face, but to make it look natural, I will reduce it, not to make it too blur. You can see that some of the areas of the face are treated. Then you can observe some black spots. Those black spots are areas whereby you can just apply some retouching by switching to the white. Another way to retouch that area is to use the patch tool. So you can see that when I apply this, it smoothens the face, but I see some black spots and I need to treat them. What I need to do now, I need to make use of my patch tool. I look for the tool. I could not find it in the toolbar. So I come down to this 3 spot. It contains hidden tools. Make sure you first drag this so that it clips to the edge and drag these tools out. We have a lot of tools here, but I'm going to use my patch tool. So I click on my patch tool, I hold the spot and I drag it to clean that space that have a similar texture. Many photo editors use this style to fix their spotty image, and it depends on some special cases, and you can still do some practice. If you need an in-depth tutorial on using the patch tool, let me know. I will still do it. I need to tone the skin. Then I will duplicate this layer. Go to the filter. Then the camera raw. You can click on vibrant to reduce the vibrancy, clarity, reduce the clarity, and then you have a clean smooth face. Remember, when you reduce the clarity, it will affect the details. When you increase the clarity, it will increase the details. But it will affect the details once you reduce it. You can create a mask for that layer which is similar to the upper layers. When I will come to this eye section, I'll take the eraser and clean it so that the eye will be sharp. There are different methods you can use to retouch your skin. I choose this method. You can see that those spots on the face are not showing visible, because we have corrected some of these errors. And remember, once you are through, when you are through with your design, you go to your file menu, then you come to save as, then you go down, come down straight to your Photoshop, select either PNG or JPEG, but for now I'm going to use PNG. I choose the PNG, put in the name, go to your folder, any folder you feel like. If I want to save it in the in-your and the high files, I just come down and I save it, treated face, treated face, treated face. Then I say save and I click OK. So that is just what you will do. Then you can now copy your picture from the location you have saved it and send it to your mobile, or use it for any purpose you want to use it for.